we'll guide you through how to fix Gmail password recovery. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Gmail sign-in page. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on the Forgot Password link right under the password entry field. This will take you to a recovery page. You'll be asked to enter the last password you remember. If you can't remember any, click on Try Another Way. Google will then prompt you to verify your identity, which could include sending a verification code to your registered phone number or recovery email. Choose the option that you can access. For instance, if you choose to receive a code via text, check your messages and enter the code when prompted. If you're using recovery email, check your email inbox for the code from Google. After entering the correct code, you'll be guided to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and memorable. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Once you've set your new password, click Change Password. You should now be able to log into your Gmail account with your new password. Remember, it's a good idea to update your security settings once you've regained access, such as ensuring your recovery phone number and email are current. Also, consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.